Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you can see in the questions has given questions that is in the ISRO has asked merge sort algorithm questions. I have already explained in merge sort algorithm, and that place I have explained some gate questions, previous year questions, okay, and today we will see other questions of merge sort algorithm one by one. Okay, now we will see in that question the average and worst case complexity for merge sort algorithm are average and worst case complexity. Which algorithm? Merge sort algorithm. And you knew that merge sort algorithm, which type and how it's work. Okay, and if you don't know, then go to the previous video and merge sort algorithm. I have explained already that place in very well. Now we will see how it will work. Suppose it is 10 elements as given, 1 2 3 4, like this 10 elements is given, and this is the arrays element. Arrays element 10 elements is given, so this is the first element and that one is in the last element. And now I am explaining in short way. Okay, so now we will see in the 10 elements as given in the merge sort algorithm work first element plus last element by 2, and we will take out in the middle value. Now first element is 1. This is the place. Arrays element place. This is the first position, second position, third position. In the first position, suppose 45 is given. Then 39 is given, like this numbers is given. First element plus last element, that means 10 by 2. That means 11 by 2. It will come 5.5. Yes, 5.5. But we will take in the floor value. Floor value, that means we will round up in the lowest part. And if it is shell value, that means we will take in the upper part. 5.5, then we will take 6. But lower value, that means it is the floor value, then we will take fifth position. Fifth position, that means n by 2. Merge sort algorithm work n by 2. N means what? 1 plus 10. First element plus last element by 2, then we will get 5. So that means 1 to 5 in the first part will come. Suppose it is 10 elements, and in the next part will come mid plus 1. Mid value is fifth. So that is why 1 to 5th numbers will come in the first part, that is left part, and in the right part will come 6 to 10. 6 to 10. This is the merge sort algorithm work. And like this we will again it will be divided. It will divide 1 plus 5th position, so that means first value is for 1 and last value is in the 5th position, so 1 plus 5, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. So then 1, 2, 3 in the left part will come, and in the next part mid plus 1 to last value. Mid plus 1, that means 3 plus 1, 4. 4 to 5th will come here. And here this position 6 to 10, how many elements are there? It is also 5 elements, and if you want to write it, so then 6 plus 10, first element plus last element. 6 plus 10, that is 16. 16 divided by 2, that means 8 will come. 8, that means 6 to 8 in the left part will come, and right part will come mid plus 1. Mid plus 1, that means 8 plus 1, 9. 9 to 10, that elements will come. Again 1, 2, 3. 1 first element plus last element, that is 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. So then 1, 2, 2 in the left part will come, and mid plus 1, that is 3. 3 to last element. Last element is 3. So 3 to 3 will come in the this one, and this will be stop. Now 4 to 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 divided by 2, that means 4.5. 4.5, then we will take in the floor value. Floor value, so that is why 4 to 4 will come. Yes, left part, and in the right part will come 4 to 4. This is the mid value, and mid value plus 1, that is 5, and last element is 5, so 5 to 5. Now 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2, that means 7. So 6 to 7, mid value is 7. So 6 to 7. That means left part will take first to mid value, and second part, right part, we will take mid value plus 1 to last position. Okay, so this is the, like this we will be sorted till in the 1 positions will come, just like 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5 it will come. Okay, so then that is why merge sort algorithm works n by 2. First we will divide it in the n elements 2 into 2 parts, and then we will merge it. So, and if you don't know the algorithm, so first you will see in the previous part, I already explained in the previous part in the algorithm part. So merge sort algorithm, lowest value plus highest value divided by 2, and it will take in the floor value. This is the first, that means left part. In the right part also, mid lowest value plus highest value divided by 2. Yes, and this is the second part. Then afterwards we will merge it. So merge sort algorithm, suppose this is the merge sort algorithm. Merge sort algorithm work, first part n by 2, second part n by 2, and then afterwards we will merge it. N by 2 means what? This is the left part and this is the right part. Okay, we will divide it. So that is why in the merge sort algorithm, if you will see the complexity, it will come n by 2, n by 2. That means 2n by 2 plus, or merge sort, that means we were merging the numbers to till how many numbers we have a n element. So that is why we will merging to till n element. So that is why it will come in the order of n times. And n by 2 we are dividing left part also and right part also. So that's why, and otherwise if you want to see in the merge sort algorithm, 2 sorted arrays are given. Okay, so first part will n by 2 divided, and in the second part also will divide it, and then afterwards we will merge it after the sorted. So that's why in the merge sort algorithm, time complexity will work 2t, this is the time, n by 2 plus order of n. Order of n, that is the merging part, and n by 2, that is the dividing part. Okay, divide and conquer approach we are using in the merge sort algorithm. To 2t n by 2 plus order of n, and this one whenever we will solve it, it will come log n time. Log n time plus order of n. So that is why it will come order of n log n. Order of n log n. Average case and worst case complexity doesn't matter that in the merge sort algorithm, and even in the best case also. This is a very easy question in the ISRO has asked in 2017, yes, 2007, not 17. ISRO has asked 2007 this type of question. So order of n square and order of n log base 2n, wrong. Why? Average case it will come order of n log n time, and worst case also order of n log n time. So this is the correct, but this one is wrong. So that is why first option is wrong. Second option, order of n log n, average case correct, and in the worst case order of n log n time. Yes, so option B is correct. Now we will see in the third option, average case is given order of n square, wrong, and worst case is order of n square, that is also wrong. Option D, average case is given order of n log n base 2, okay, it's correct. So this is correct, and worst case is given order of n square, this is also wrong. So option B is correct answer. Order of n log n, order of n log n. Why it will come order of n log n, I already explained. How to find out the complexity, time complexity through the algorithm. Okay, you will check it. 2t, why it's 2t? Because n by 2 sorted array elements is given, and we are dividing into 2 subparts. Sub array, it is called sub array. So that's why it is 2t has came, because n by 2 plus n by 2. When you will add it, so then it will come, and it's, we are finding time complexity. So that is why 2t n by 2. This is one part, 1 plus 1, 2. 2t what? N by 2. Okay. So thank you.